bad vibes today in the gym. Bad vibes. Well, first of all, it's Thursday and I forgot my headphones, so I'm like, well, might as well film for you guys. And today, let me just say, the people in the gym today are questionable. That's all I'm gonna say. I'm scared. Mom picked me up. Whatever. I'm just gonna mind my own business. Um, all right. Well, let's do a little warm up and then we'll get into it. My friend Jamie is here. Thank God. I posted with her on Instagram yesterday, so if you want to go check that out, you know who I'm talking about. But just weird energy today. I don't know. There's a lot of the regular people I see, but then there's some people that I've never seen before. um, whatever. Everything's fine. Everything's fine. It's 5:50. We got up very early today. 4:45. Was in the car by 5. Again, I don't know how I do it. I'm so proud. It's only my third time at the gym this week. I've kind of just not been, I don't know, been so tired lately. I didn't come Monday because I slept through my alarm. And then I came Tuesday, Wednesday, today's Thursday. And then I'm deciding right now I'm not coming tomorrow. I am not coming tomorrow because I literally just want to sleep in so badly and not wake up. But the worst part about this is I've been waking up before my alarm. Like, I'm talking like 4:40. Now, it may not seem much, like 5 minutes, but I feel like it's the worst feeling in the world. I kind of like to just be woken up aggressively with my alarm. If I get woken up like naturally, I don't know, I get more pissed, honestly. I don't know, that's just how I feel. I'd rather just get woken up by a little instead of just naturally, especially earlier than I have to get up at. I guess I shouldn't complain because I had time to do my full warm up, which I really need to do. And yeah, I'm trying to get out of here by 7:15. So there's that. Okay, guys, I'm gonna say it. There's somebody in here that's not wearing shoes, barefoot. I repeat, barefoot. I'm gonna throw up. Who does that? This is a public space. No one needs to see the dog. Okay. All right. Work and set. Oh God. Ow. I don't know what creator it was. Actually, I think it was Kenzie. Should I forget her last name? But um, she's she has monster quads. I want her legs so bad. She trains so hard though. I think I train hard, then I watch her videos. I'm out of breath right now. And it's like never mind. She works so hard. But anyway, shoot, maybe it wasn't her. I don't know who I was listening to, but they were saying if your first rep, you don't literally say to yourself like, "Oh fuck, you're not, you're not starting." Like you don't have the heavy enough weight on the bar. And I've been trying to do that more, and that's really been having me push myself. So, I mean, I definitely in my head was like, oh fuck, when I lifted this weight off, but I did 10 reps. So, I think we're gonna add a 10 and do 8 reps. Okay, I cannot even sit on my butt cheeks right now because they're on fire. I need to stand up. Won't lie, I am a little nervous. I mean, I've done 225. We're looking at 2 plates on this each side on the machine to the next to me. It's like more on the ground, more your traditional hip thrust. But this one doesn't hurt my stomach, my uterus. So like this is way more comfortable. And if you're gonna suffer, you might as well be comfortable. That's what I think. Oh my god, my butt is literally on fire. Oh, I mean that's good, but like Jesus, just sit on it. It's not fun. I don't even know what we have to do next. I've done this workout so many times, I could not tell you what's up next. I know I did leg press on Tuesday. Yeah. Oh shit, RDLs. Oh man. Well, I did this to myself. I write my own programs anyway, so clearly I like to watch myself suffer. Alright. Let's do 8 reps. Hopefully this goes well. Oh, fuck. See, okay, good weight. Oh my god, don't cry. Dude, my heart is pounding out of my chest. My butt cheeks are burning. We got one more set though. It was a rough week, guys, honestly. Work has been overwhelming. Oh, not a thought behind these eyes right now. It's exactly 6 a.m. Well, at least we're done practically our first exercise, so if I have split squats today, I'm gonna actually cry. There will be tears. I think we're gonna do RDLs on the, no, I'm kind of sick of RDLs in the Smith machine. I don't know, I feel like it screws up my alignment. I know I used to love them and I was obsessed, but that obsession has ended. I kind of like doing them with dumbbells now. I don't know, I feel powerful doing them with dumbbells. I think I've been doing them with 65s, so maybe we'll go up to 70 today. We'll do one set of like 55s, 60s, and then go up to 70s. Just like one little warm-up set, I feel like will be good. All right. Dude, out of breath. I'm getting a headache. What's going on with me? Okay. It'll be over soon. Just 8 stupid little reps. Okay, I didn't really walk that out that well, but... Okay, well, now we're gonna do RDLs in the middle of the... That's Jamie that I was talking about earlier. Anyway, Well, now we're gonna do RDLs in the middle of the gym, which I hate because it's so uncomfortable and awkward. My spot I usually hide in the corner is being used. So yeah, I gotta spread my butt cheeks in the middle of the gym, which I hate. It's just an RDL. I'm about to pull my shirt down, honestly, but then it's gonna get caught. I feel like people are like, "Why do you tuck your shirt like that?" Because it's comfortable. Like, what? Leave me alone. Also, I'm trying to check out my own butt in the mirror. Like, I am killing myself in the gym, so I need to literally watch the progress while it's happening. It's not for anybody else. It's literally for me. I am constantly checking myself out in the mirror. Yes, I am vain. I'm doing bodybuilding. How can I not be? So there's a little tangent no one asked for. But anyway, we're going to warm up with the 55s, and then we're going to go to 70s because we feel strong today. And then I'm probably going to put my belt on for the 70s. That's a lot of weight. Let's see how I can move away. Oh, and that's going to cut my head off. All right, let's like tilt this. There we go. Hee hee, now you can see me. What are you gonna do? Oh, the lighting is really not it. Wow. Yeah, we gotta put more. We gotta put more weight on there. That is too light. Honestly, the worst part is putting the weight back. I'm just gonna roll it on the floor. Because why would I waste energy picking this stupid dumbbell up when I can roll it? So BRB. Okay, I didn't mean to slam that on the ground. That was a little dramatic. We're gonna take a nice little seat real quick in preparation for the big old 70s. 6:15. Hooray. We have literally an hour. Guys, don't worry. He put his shoes on. We're good. That was scary. We're safe now. I was telling them, I was telling them about the no shoes. I was like, we're safe now. They've been put on. Dogs are gone. Okay, it's better, guys. I got my spot back. So now I feel safe. Yeah, got the big dogs out here. Not talking about feet this time. Just the 70-pound dumbbells. I don't even know how many I'm going to be able to do. Am I scared? A little bit. Whatever, it's fine. Everything's fine. I really don't know if I put my belt on. Let's just see how the first few reps feel, and then if I need to, I will stop and run. My lower back is already screaming, probably. No, we don't want that. I'm just afraid I'm not gonna be able to hold these puppies. That's why I got the straps, but like my poor little wrists. He's just so happy. Okay, let's see what happens. Okay, let me like actually wrap this properly. Okay. You motherfucker. Oh no, here come the stars. Deep breath. Oh god, I'm about to faint. Hold on, hold on, hold on. Let me, let me not panic really quick. Okay. Alright, we're good. We're good. Ooh, I did not like that feeling. Jesus. That really felt horrible. Oh my god, that made my head hurt. Oh, that means we're gonna stay with this weight. Do I need a belt? Probably not. I honestly feel like that'll make me feel more like I need to breathe, so we're not gonna put our belt on. I feel like I should only do 2 sets of this. I may count that warm up as a working set because I don't want to feel like I'm gonna faint again. But I know I can do it. Like the weight it was definitely challenging. I kept my back flat. Like form looked pretty. I checked it. I looked at it. You guys saw that. That looked pretty good. I wasn't like hunched over and struggling to stand properly. Oh my god, it's so heavy. I don't know how I see people on Instagram doing like 100 in each hand and RDL that. Like what? That's how I'm trying to be. But like it's crazy because I feel like on the barbell, like doing regular barbell RDLs, I could probably do like 200, but dumbbells, like, I don't know, it's like a lot of weight to put in one hand, you know? Hard to grip, hard to stay even. Okay. Oh my god, why? I'm really scared. I'm really scared. No, come on. Come on. Come on. Just 8. May drop down to 6 if I start feeling like I'm gonna fall over. I ate today, guys. Don't worry. I ate. Can't drink water. And now it's gonna take me 10 years to put this one back on. Ouch. 2 more. I think we're gonna do kickbacks next. I'm pretty sure it's supposed to be split squats, but I cannot do them. I cannot. I will. No. Sometimes I just no. Or I could do step ups. I haven't done those in a minute. But again, just no. Literally no. Instead of doing step ups, I'll do another set of these. That's my compromise with myself. I'm gonna do 8 too. So yeah, that's the vibe. Okay, let's see. Let me do a little check in with myself. How are we feeling? No longer nauseous. No headache. That's good. Um, fear, none. Okay, there's like maybe a 2 out of 10 on fear. Um, yeah. Honestly, vibes are better now. Maybe it's the music in here, but vibes are here. Also, maybe just like more comfortable. I feel like sometimes when I first walk in the gym, I'm like, oh god, here we go again. It's also like I've now been here for when the hell did I get here? An hour ago? Just stretching and all that crap takes so long to do. That's why I had to get here so early. Okay. All right, let's do this last set and then we're gonna do either step ups or kickbacks. We got 30 minutes. Okay. Okay, fuck, we're done. Kickback time. Guys, I literally had goblet squats on my program. I'm not doing that. I don't know why I wrote that on my program in the first place, to be honest. But I forgot it's also hamstrings day. It's not just about the glutes. So, I mean, RDLs did work my hamstring stuff, but yeah, we got hamstring curls after this. So let's do these kickbacks. I'm still not recovered from RDLs. That, but whatever. If that was the hardest thing I had to do today, rest of the day is gonna be cakes. If I get overwhelmed at work, I'll be like, did you guys know I RDL 70-pound dumbbells? Like, this work is nothing. Silly little clickety clack on my computer. So silly. Okay. I'm gonna try not to bend forward as much as I usually do. It's so weird. There's so much information on the internet. I feel like some people, they're so bent over. I'll just stand more straight up. I'm gonna try to stand more straight up. Honestly, it's like wherever you feel it in your glutes, but I think I don't know, just try this out. Yeah, so I'm gonna like not curve my spine, but like kind a little bit. Yeah, I guess that's cool. Let me make sure I feel it in my butt. Oh my god. Yeah, I definitely feel it in my butt. So let's not do that again. Well, I'm glad I got that on camera for you guys. Awesome. All right, other leg, 12 reps. Let's got dust in my eye. No, I'm bending down way too much. No. Screw these things. Turn up the. Why do they hurt so bad? Like, they're not even that hard. Like, they look so simple. I just realized my camera is literally lopsided. Awesome. Well, could I fix it? Yeah, but then I feel like everything else, let's just keep it all sideways at this point. Whatever, that's my angle, it's fine. And then quads for no reason. Maybe on camera they look small. They probably do. Let's not gaff myself up too much. No. It's like some days I feel so good about myself and I'm like, damn, I'm the shit. Like, like I'm really killing it out here. And then other days, it's like, why do I even bother? No progress has been made, zero. And I like look at myself as if I have like not changed from day one. And that's why I take the damn pictures and I record myself like this because I can only go up from here. If I keep this shit up, I can only go up from here. The only thing that's been hard lately is eating. I don't know what has been going on with my appetite. I've had zero appetite. I have an appetite in the morning. I'll like eat my breakfast, but then after breakfast, I have no desire to eat. And it's the most frustrating thing because I need to hit my protein. I need to hit my goals. Like I force fed myself. You ever mix just a scoop of protein powder with Greek yogurt? Yep, that was my dessert. And then I threw some chocolate chips in there. Delicious. That's what you gotta do sometimes. At least I work from home today. Okay. Here we go again. Oh, it burns. Oh, okay. I hate doing single leg stuff. You think you're done, and it's like, oop, other side. Tee hee hee. Takes so freaking long. The time's on my side today because I got here so early. I usually don't get here this early on the days I work from home since I can, like, I don't have to leave my house at 8:30, obviously. So I don't know, but I feel like now I'm gonna have so much more time to like nicely prepare myself for work and not rush. So I guess that's a good thing. All right, other side. No, I'm gonna hang out over here actually. Huh? Yeah. Hee hee. How you doing? I feel like a week out, right? Oh. I'm like, yeah. Oh yeah. Oh my god, I'm dead. Oh my god, what's wrong with me? Well, guys, our time together is slowly coming to an end. Um, Now you can do lying leg, lying leg, lying hamstring curls or seated. I prefer the seated ones. That's just a personal preference. Um, Wait, God, who sat here last? A very tall person. Okay. See, now I'm hungry. Sorry. Sorry you guys had to hear that. Sorry. Damn it. Again, I'm trying to live by that rule of like, if you don't say oh fuck for your first rep, then like, what are you doing? So, you're gonna have to put more weight on there. 85 it is. It's gonna be a great day. Yeah. Okay. Okay, it's definitely heavier. It's like moves back more. Hang on. Oof. I think something's off. Nope, that's definitely not it. Great, now my back's itchy for no reason. Again, did not take pre-workout. Okay, let's try that again. Oh my god, it just keeps getting harder. Ow. Oh my god. Ow, why is my back itchy? Okay. Um, that sucked. Damn, I should probably do 12. Why is my back itchy? Eh, weird. Now we get to rest. Oh my god, seriously? Why is it itching? Weird. One more. Oh god. I know. I really hate this machine. I wish I could have used the other one, but I don't know. I saw Barefoot Man go on that and literally just put his bare feet on the machine, and for some reason that freaks me out, so I'm not using it. So thanks a lot, sir. Ah. Okay, that's really light. No time to stretch today. Not good. I should have just stretched instead of doing this, but like I said, it's my last workout of the week, so I kind of just wanted to get that not inner glute, the side glute. We're not gonna have any time for posing, guys, so this is it. This was some fun. I hope you enjoyed this. I feel like some funny happenings happen in this video, so yeah, let me know what you think. Comment below. Or don't, whatever. No one's forcing you to, but I love seeing your guys' comments. Very nice. Only if they're nice ones. Please leave the negativity elsewhere. Okay. Hi. I don't care. I don't care. No, I will not. No. I was taking a little. I'm almost done. Okay, last set. Put me in a better mood. Ow, why am I so itchy? I get it. If you take pre-workout or too much like a stimulant, you get itchy. Like, bro. Ow. And I also bruise so easily, so random. I just hit my leg against one of this metal pieces, and now I'm gonna have a fat bruise. Okay, last set. Oh, thank God we're done. Oh my god, get me out of here.